My name is Wendy Morgan and I am studying the Masters in International Marketing, specialising in social and digital media marketing. Today, with digital and social media being a key part of marketing, I felt that it was necessary for me to understand the full theory and practice of digital social media in the modern marketing world. I specifically chose the International Marketing Master's degree in Dundee because it allowed me to start in January. It gave me the chance to finish my working career at the end of the previous year with a fresh new start going into 2019 on my new career path. I've really enjoyed the flexibility of choosing my own pathway by selecting specific modules, for example, brand management, applied marketing and research, all key areas of marketing that I need to understand to be successful within digital and social media marketing. On this course, I've particularly enjoyed the classes that have been taught by two lecturers. For example, the university lecturer, but also an outside professional who has come in to teach us about business practices and the theory of marketing from their point of view. We've also had a number of guest speakers come in on different modules. This has been good because it has given us insight into their world of marketing. I would recommend the International Marketing Master's degree because it allows you to develop your understanding of the principles of marketing, but also allows me to specialise in key areas of interest.